I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to unlink a bank account from your Xfinity mobile account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Xfinity mobile website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, find the Billing section in the main menu. Click on it to access your billing settings. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. In the Billing Settings, look for Payment Methods. Click on this option to view all linked accounts. Step 4. Select the bank account. Find the bank account you want to unlink. There should be an option next to it to remove or unlink. Click that option. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to unlink the account. Confirm your choice to finalize the process. Just a heads up, sometimes the unlinking process can take a few minutes to reflect in your account. If you don't see the changes right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. I hope this helps you manage your Xfinity mobile account more easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.